We went to this popular beach in Mobo, Masbate, the bitu-on beach resort. Upon checking Windy app, the prevailing wind speed in the area ranged from 6 to 7 meters per second, with a gustiness of 10 to 12 meters per second. Standing on the shore, this was the howling sound of a 6 meter per second wind speed, and a gustiness of 10 meters per second, the size of waves it produced, and how the fronds of the coconut trees were bent as it blew from the sea. I will fly the Mini 2 towards this long wooden pier, and see if it can handle the wind without any hiccups, and if it can stay in the air for long. Well, I didn't find any difficulties in hand launching the Mini 2 on the air. It held on and kept its position despite the battering of the wind. Flying in normal mode, the video footage was steady as if the Mini 2 was cruising on a calmer day. The Mini 2 responded smoothly to every maneuver you execute, using the remote control. The beachfront was usually the repository of tons of garbages brought ashore during the typhoon season. This beach was usually visited during summer when the shoreline is well maintained and cleaned up. When I flew the Mini 2 to a 100-meter altitude, the strong wind warning only appeared once. I was able to hover the drone long enough to do a swipe of the area from that height. Returning the Mini 2 home was not a problem too. It fought the wind and landed on the spot where it launched. You might have noticed that sudden jerk in the video before the Mini 2 landed. The second time I flew the Mini 2 to further explore the resort, this time using the sports mode, the sudden video jerks became frequent. This could be caused by the Mini 2 efforts to stay steady flying at high speed and encountering a sudden gust of strong wind. If it had been my Mavic Mini, I would have never attempted to fly over water with this wind speed. But the Mini 2 really delivered. The strong wind warning only appeared once during my 2 flight sessions. The sudden jerks in the video was not such a major problem, because they occur between long gaps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so.